You're in the right place, as you know, sir. This is Music Central. APAP Radio, y'all. Alan Heath Show. And we have got the star. The General has arrived.
The General is in the building.
The General has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, born Omari Lawrence, artist hails from the parish of St. James, Jamaica. After nearly 2 decades in the music industry as a popular sound system selector, he turned to an artist, y'all, dropping his first album on all digital platforms on Tuesday, October 22nd, 2020.
During the pandemic, I remember.
Yes,
bad
indeed.
Bad tune.
His second single, I Wish, took off, gained traction all over the place, all over social media. He's known for his raspy voice, his witty lyrics, his unique perspective on subject matters not often discussed in Jamaican music. Ladies and gentlemen, joining us for the interview here on Island Heat Show for the first time, welcome, Bala General. Wagwan, Bala.
Wagwan.
That is it.
Yeah, see that? Yo, the man himself. Listen, Badda, before we get into the music, yeah, I want to discuss something serious, yeah? Because right now, the record is undefeated, only dropped points to Chelsea in the first game of the season, sitting in a good striking position. In second place right now, Liverpool FC doing their thing in the British Premier League. What you got to say about that, my brother?
Oh, there. I mean, it might be a surprise to many, but not a surprise to me and many of Liverpool's original supporters. Them were, you know what I mean? 'Cause we know what go on, so we don't go and make everybody catch up, you know?
Exactly. Yeah, because we never walk alone. I saw the thing said.
Mad. What? Don't make me bust out singing.
Brother, welcome, my brother. Welcome. King Rudy,
Yes,
I'm going to
sir.
let you drop the first question for our special guest.
My first question, especially coming from a selector, myself, big up yourself, Bala General in the building.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I wanted to know about the sound system you played on before you kind of got into becoming an artist. And let us know what you think about the state of sound systems right now. How do you think sound clashes and the state of sound systems is going?
Okay, well, firstly, let me not even go no further without thanking you guys for having me. Because you don't know, we love them something. Yeah. But as it pertains to sound system, my band comes to my father with a big sound system still. So from the day my band, my automatically born into it. It's not a thing I me learn to do. It's a thing I come like a band, my band. Because my father is a sound man. I have a big sound system before me even born. So it's a thing. You know, and them something.
Oh, yeah.
But the difference is my father really never want me play him sound. From me and youth, him always tell me if I can learn to read. And him like him feel like some can read. You know, and then the Jamaican parents, them are not the one who even do no homework with you and do no check by your work. I have a business about them. Just figure say me can't read.
Yeah.
I mean, what is it, man? They tell me every time when I try to play 2 songs, them man say, you think I said, what am I learning to read?
Right. So like a Jamaican parent for real.
Yeah.
Automatically, I realize say, give me the joy what I expect. So, we start look elsewhere and, become community sensation because you don't know, we start playing a different people system in the place. We're born and growing and mobility in a place named Borg.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go now. After that, I bounce around the place, play enough little sound here and there, and I end up in the city, in the heart of the city, on a little gangster ends named Hard Street, Barracks Road, around a sound named All Nuts. Was a Rastaman sound, but I used to have a lot of Ninja Man dub plate and whole heap of cutty ranks and whole heap of thing back in them time there. Dub plate draw me because that kind of sound I want. I mean, this record 45.
Yeah.
Hear me up on them thing there. But when me go there, like them lose interest. When me go at the sound them all that, it's like them dip on the out.
Okay.
But why you them time you know, them pieces, the owner of the pieces used to come borrow for them amps them and them thing there. Cause pieces was actually that in a piece of this, piece of that.
Is there more bass sound all over the place?
Yeah, reflect how everything started. You know what I mean? So it's like me used to always see the owner of the pieces come borrow the amps and two QSC and them telling me as a little juvenile, I never even know say QSC amps are heavy. And the original QSC them heavy like lead, you know. Them telling them come borrow a 3,000, a QSC 3,000. I mean, I tell you say it heavy. At least it feel like about 60 pounds.
Yeah.
Believe me. I mean, you know, one day them send me for go collect back the amps them. Remember I said me no know say the amps them so heavy. You know, I go around there and thing and when I go around the pieces them side now, I realize that, you know, so I have something for them. You know, they kind of really like them go collect a thing, but then when I see the camaraderie and the thing around there, I see how the man them like a meeting them I have and I say,
Yeah.
yeah, something for them, you know. But you know, me a little youth them time, 13 going on 14, I go to boom and I ask the boss. I said, Daddy, you know, so I want to come play a song. I said, yo, you know, so we don't want a selector still. Kind of alright, we don't need no more selector. But me and myself, you know, cause me can, in my head, me already master the craft of selecting and mixing without them even know something good like that for blend music to got it. Them time they just Stone Love and couple sound, Inner City and couple sound of that sauce there.
Yeah. That smooth transition, the mixing and the blending.
Yeah, you don't even hear when the song change. I remember I have them thing there from me a little pit, you know.
Yeah.
So you know me, I said, in my head, me I say, one of them knows I want me to bring towards pieces, so them don't have it over here.
Right.
I said, the owner bridge, I said, no, him not really want no selector still. But when him drive off, the youth who was the selector at the time said to me, say, yo, don't listen to him. Come and work later. Play a cricket club. Come. Him don't know what, him just satisfied with me alone and play the song, but me need help. Come. So right there, so me get employed from pieces without the boss even employed. You know, 1991, 92, 93, I play a song without no money, you know. I not get no pay, you know. I just go and dance, you know. Enough of these cassettes with pieces versus jar and enough things where you probably out it. As a son, I used to select as a little youth. I not get no pay at them time. I just do it just for do it.
Wow.
You know what I mean? Enough of historical piece audios where you probably hear when we and bass at this and we and this and we and that and 4x4. But tell them I don't start getting no pay yet, my lad. That be I tell you. But yeah, pieces was the sound now. I'm a giant 1990 as a little 13-year-old juvenile. And it's like everything even jump off. You know, the time them ask me to test the mic. Like them I say, yo, somebody test the mic. I remember I said them know me can play a record.
Right.
Even though I not get the chance yet. Cause I stand up there wait for the bridge, you know, I tell me for forward name Corey, you know. I mean I wait for Corey for I say, come in, come learn the box and come learn the record them and see everything situated. Cause you know me now quick for running, I wait. I remember him tell me for forward another boss. So
Right.
You know what say? The virgin pass him I say, yo, you can talk my microphone, test the microphone for me. Remember them don't know say my life I got change and I was a little boy. Cause I go sir, audio testing what? Remember say audio check 1, 2. Remember the man was everybody turn around and I say, yo, who for
Hear the voice.
Yeah.
The magic voice was born.
But them not know, you know. And then I idolize the virgin named Rory. So it's like audio check 1, 2, audio. Remember some have that lock as a little youth. They know them hear it and them say, no, bad. And man voice big someone and sound so. But then them don't know say the first time I go around a sound and I say the mic volume has its own mid range and tweet and bass.
Okay.
That's the first time I see that. So me I say, wait, so we can turn up the bass for my voice. Right. You know, me give them turn up the bass, cover over the microphone with my hand. So even though my voice is big, it make my voice even bigger.
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember, say me I talk low. I'm turn up the microphone right to the edge of feeding back. And go so, that's when turn set. Man, what's say what the body? And then the man them go find out so me can blend song together like the song them are on the same rhythm. Me mix up smooth them time they come like the man I say, yo. That time the original say, yo, come learn the box. So my first go at it, you know, pieces sound of the first song can say. It was my first selecting duties, but at the first, like you go up on a Premier League team.
Right.
Like
Yeah,
first,
big song. Big song.
transferred. I'm going to go to the team where I want to go to.
Right. Wicked.
Automatically, I am more Salah over pieces. I don't know, say I'm going to be the star ball. Like. So I'm going to go so home now and just wait my time. I remember my time in everything, you know. So you know what, that my first sound was. Yeah, professionally, I can say, yeah, this is where it all started. When airport not seems so far from me and the world not seems so back in car, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wicked.
So now,
And to the state of dancehall, yeah, we can't even compare because I just feel like we witness something in a full generation. Me have to wonder if I saw you right them did feel when this is happening for them.
yeah.
Because we are witness changes and a lot of we don't know how to even deal with what's happening.
Right.
Because that was one of the main reasons why I stopped selecting in the first place. Because I just not enjoying it anymore. First, me just start seeing like I'm the old man in the party. Because everybody I play them pitch at. Every song is 120 BPM and me I come in and play it when me know how it sound.
Right.
Yeah.
So my juggling seems slower than everybody else because me now rush me juggling. Me I play my song at least one verse.
Right.
You understand?
We can relate.
Yes.
So it's like me start going to the event and I start to you know say I say Froggy, who are going to the place and everybody there and let you the elder there. Remember say more respect still, but I say me how I see me John elder me because I bus long before, you know. How many man them see me? Some of them are older than me and that style me let you uncle.
Yeah.
You know, me just get mad one of them. Yeah, man. I take on myself and something okay? Nah, you know what I mean? Me nah get the same flame, the same fire.
Right.
In my soul from it's just like it's not there.
Seen. But the music is still there. And so you had to find another form.
And that's why I tell you I had to find another way how to contribute without have to being physically in the dance hall every night. And if you ask me, I think that a natural transition from a sound man is to be a producer because that's just natural.
Yeah.
All our dancehall great producers are all sound system owners. And this is just a natural transition. When you become a popular sound, you have your popular label, you produce a song, it's just natural. So the natural thing was in 2010, me and Tarantula link up and started that record label named Mad Spider Productions and rest is history. Froggy Mad Squad from Mad Squad and Tarantula the Spider from Poison Dart. So we put a thing together and we say, alright, you are the Spider, you are the Mad Youth. Alright, we're going to name Mad Spider Production. And we put it together. But how it worked out, him start say it out of his mouth as a form of pushing the label. Them just start giving a thing. Oh, go on, Mad Spider.
Yeah.
So, you know, I see it up now, I can't do nothing about it, but we just load it and make it go on because it a work.
Right.
Yeah. But it was a collaborative effort with me and him still, you know, forward to get
See, it's just like,
together.
Vibes Cartel was a group until somebody ended up carrying on the moniker.
Oh yeah. He spit for his brother, then he started doing it himself.
It was a whole group of people named Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
But I just, you know what I mean? And as I said, we produce it. Once we do the first song, big up to Delly Rank stuff, put me on the first record, which is my production, of course. But me have an idea, I tell him the idea, and he said to me, say, yo, you have a good voice, why you not do it? I said, no, dog, I said, artist business. And he said, no, man, try it and see if you like it. And I said, no, brother, you want to sing it, I give you the idea.
Right.
And he said, all right, here we go. Sing what you want me to sing, pan rhythm here.
Delly Smarty. Delly know what I'm doing.
Real engineer.
He must say, yo, that me not delete that, me gonna use that. He must say, I don't want to read remember I don't want full song. We just do a little part of a song and he must say, that bad. It sound good. Me gonna use it. So you know me gonna put some part in the rest side. And I see him do a thing and split the vocals and put piece down and so and flip through. I tell him I don't know what I do, but the man DJ around when me DJ and the next thing you know my first song and me and Delly Ranks in a combination. And then VP call and take it from me and give me a money. And me I say, wait, money can't make like so. I like
So your money was first off of a song, not off of dubplate voicing. It was really a song that really got you.
My first trial of any recording whatsoever, it was a song, actual song with Delly Ranks. Cause me and Delly aspire them time, which we still good and now same way. You know what I mean?
Nice.
And me and him aspire in the Florida at the time, and we are neighbors. So you know what I mean? And if you're there on Delly for half an hour, you have to sing a song or do an intro or do something musical.
Yeah.
So he put me on. Yeah, he put me on that way there to make me try it. And it was, you know what I mean, great for my first song. I can tell you, say, me and Delly Ranks in a combination.
Yeah.
In video light and I really name Basic Instinct and Tarantula. I think I said, ring up on your finger, me take it and take it out. Remember, I first try that as a producer.
Yeah.
And we can find that song. We can find that song. And did Delly end up releasing it?
Basic Instinct really, man, it release all about, man. Them tell us that the ball pass strictly the best 28 or
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're here.
I remember that with him. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So because we got a couple questions in the chat room that I want to get to real quick. So somebody's asked, did Pieces clash Black Cat in ATL?
Yeah. They beat him up one night about Atlanta there.
Yeah. I don't remember.
I want to say that's at Fantasy Island, and many years ago.
No. Up at one place named Peacock, you know.
Up at the Royal Peacock. Yeah, the Peacock.
Okay. All right.
So you know something there. I mean, it forward all the dance there, too, man. Call them time me at the man. We rise, come be the man. And I fly every weekend. So me and him did forward up there, and I now forget me use a Borough Bantan song me use, Boom Modis, call them time the street sweep a clap. And we have the juggling them there. Run, come stand up in them thing there, we get ridiculous power up at that place for them down there. Yeah, and this was like 98.
Okay. Now, back on the artist side of things. The first time that I really took note of Bala General, right, is when I Wish dropped. And that just everybody right away. I was like, wait. And I was slow to really catch up. I said, him not do something again. He's an artist now. I Wish went just viral, real big, real fast. You like as soon as you made that transition, instant success, brother. Right? Tell me what's the formula?
Instant success. It seemed like instant success.
Okay.
That was when I was already 10 years recording already.
Okay.
So I'm tell you something. Come out at 2010. That song come out at 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you said seems like it seemed like you and Mad Spider were not like at first we thought that because any sound who would play a Bala General wasn't playing a Mad Spider. Like sometimes you all would be conflicting within a sound class, so people got to thinking that maybe they're not connected in this way. But you're saying you all had started a label together and then are bridging straight through.
We are bridging from before when him start the dancehall thing. I was the first one to start pushing him song them. Once I find out that him make him own rhythm, I start say you make them. No, we have to do something. Come on, we can start a label because you know what I mean. But I'm a virgin to this day. Right now, we did so much combinations in the last couple of weeks. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Because now the son see the same thing I want to say. I say, oh, so enough man come like once them voice Badda them now voice Spider, once them voice Spider them now.
Yeah.
So you have some I call and want to do some serious combination. Some serious combination. Believe me.
Yes.
So tell me something now. When it go forward to the line of customs, who Badda, the General or the Spider?
To give you my honest opinion, you know, say he was first, you know. First not naturally mean Badda still, you know, because I mean him Badda. But he was first. Yeah. And I'm going to hear that story, you know. You know, say one day the man just forward and me and him a reason. And him depend. Yo, dog. Tired to make custom, you know. I take a break from this custom business, you know. I mean, I say take a break. How you go take a break? I don't understand. Because he's a youth, him so talented. Just natural talent, like you wouldn't understand how talented him is. So I come like he get bored easily, right? Me and him a reason the day and him just tell me, say, I'm going to stop. And I say, stop? For what? And I'm bored, man. It's the same thing over and over, the same sound. Them. I know, I see the clash I keep, and I see 6 sound of the clash, and the 6 of them call me. I forgot voice for the 6 of them.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm bored. I'm bored, man. Yo, man, I take some time off. I'm going to just give this a rest for a little while. I mean, I said, like, so what you going to do? What are you going to do? Remember, when he might tell me that, at the same time, he might say, I'm going to write some song for some people here, man. And just sell some song and just write some song. And some of them boy I need to write already. He must say that, but he must say it so casually. It's just this is tripping, man. But anyway, I'm going to go boom. And it's like that very weekend, like if that tell me like the Tuesday, and by the Thursday, I get a call from Earth Ruler, which was my first custom dub me ever write. The Earth Ruler song. I get a call from Earth Ruler, Scorpion, them call me and them I say, yo, I did Scorpion or Virgin. At the time, I don't know if Genius, I Virgin him Genius did I play the sound or something. But when them call me and him I say, yo, me just start to Mad Spider and him I say, take a break from custom, him now do no custom. You know for the custom? Remember, I saw now me, I say, I mean if you know for it. I mean, they run him, I watch him, I do it, how much year now.
Yeah.
Wow.
I tried before that. You know?
Okay.
So when they call me now and ask me that, me in return call him, and I said, Tarantula, you them ask me about custom, how it go? So he might tell me, say, do this. 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3. He might tell me, say, yo, just.
Right.
And him walk. My first way how to do it, I do my first custom for Earth Ruler. I remember it never shell the place, but you call me back the man and say, yo, one thing a Spider do where you need to learn how to do when you mix it up them. Make certain say you load the rhythm down with the part which part. And I said, no, Terrence never tell me that part.
The punchline, yeah.
You know what I mean? Him don't get the essential part them I need. Enough people probably feel me there I try to do what him do, not knowing say he was the one.
I train you.
Basically, train me how to do it.
So he could get a break as well.
He took a break, and by him taking a break and saying to me casually that he's going to go write some songs. Remember, Tarantula write hit songs for so much different people. So much different people win so much Grammys. So you understand me? So I am saying it's like I don't like him miss. He just give me an opportunity now because he was doing it. So I just full the space.
You did that very well too. Very well.
Yeah, but yeah, but
I step in and learn how to do it and start get good at it. By by the time him tell me say, me see say him forward back into the thing. He's already gone already. You understand me? And him never yet call me one day and me and him talk regular. We talk about football cause you know him a Arsenal and me a Liverpool. We laugh, we talk, we never have no bad vibes, no animosity. It's always the people them from the outside that try to seem like them just can't rate Bala General and rate Tarantula at the same time. Because, you know what I mean? It's like can't rate Spice or you can't rate Ladies at the same time. Or you
right?
People say, yo, it sound like Stylo G. Okay, if you rate me, you can rate him to a 7 billion people in the world.
Right.
Why you trying to put we against each other?
True
you
that.
Know, enough people always are trying to put people against. Like if you like Beanie Man, you can like Bounty Killer too.
Yeah.
Just like you can like Captain too.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
mean like you have to try to put them against each other. But me and him, luckily, we've been friends for so long. And me and him just laugh about these things. Like people are tripping away and see something for online or in a Sound Clash fraternity or wherever them post. Yo, I will say Badda General are the new custom king and all. Yeah, if you be custom king and him a China version of Tarantula. And because at the end of the day, I mean people are gonna talk. I always have this motto in my brain. I say, think about the song where you love the most. That is not offensive at all to nobody where you could have think about. And go on YouTube and look at it and see what people dislike that very song that you love. You know what I mean? So,
yeah. I had to point that out to somebody before myself. Yeah, man. It's true. It's true. You're not gonna please 100% to everybody. I saw the thing up. Yep.
So from me realize these things, me look at it as when somebody, you know what I mean, like back in them time when I first do I Wish in 2020, because we do money up first. My girl, if you want me rub your belly, send money to my money up and we get the bubblings.
Mm-hmm.
But then I said the song a bubble, but it now do what I want it to do. So I just drop I Wish and I Wish shake up the place. And you still have people who was trying to promote a different artist, but in the process, a bad talk, Bala General. I said, Bala General have no talent. I don't, the real people with the talent, someone now push. And the man have talent. I'm still personally not have nothing against them. Because we just know that just some people stay, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but I really talk better.
But just do my thing and hear the king. You hear what I'm saying about?
A lot of this was during the pandemic, though. Especially, I remember when those songs were released, we weren't really outside, so it wasn't like we were going to hear them in the club. So we got to listen to them, I guess, at home more than in the streets.
Yes, and listen, everybody was looking for something.
Yeah.
The artist them that was really, really established wasn't really dropping no music because of the way how they know how to promote their music.
Right.
Is
They're
going.
trying to figure it out. This is all new
And
for them.
when you remember me coming in at the music in the lockdown, so that is my entrance.
Yeah.
And that is all I know. Is,
Right.
okay, we're gonna hit them with music left and right. Because people need something to listen to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like a Beanie or a Bunty or a Capleton or a Sister probably reserve and I say, yo,
I know somebody do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, promotion.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So we did that just a drop. We drop enough little microwave song, we drop enough Sound Clash song, we drop, you know what I mean? Things about the topic. If something go on in Jamaica, I call Liquid, we just do music.
Yeah.
I will busy and keep the things, people entertained in that time.
Yes.
In the time now, I think blow up over TikTok and like I've only for something go on, but within social media space.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, where it was a little bit harder was to transition from social media to the real world where when people are less interested in what's going on online. How do you get these people to engage in your music? Engage in your music.
Yeah.
So what I do is now I just start get more serious with my custom dubs. More, you know what I mean? So even if 50 million man a drop songs, me know say from a clash keep, You go hear, oh, there.
Yeah.
And it go bust. And it go pull up and it go play back. So you call me tomorrow, I'm going to post my video. I get the biggest forward for the night. And I'm going to call me and say, yo, Bala General, I'm not lie. I hear your song last night, I get the biggest forward for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's how the thing go.
Many times.
Bala General is with us right here live on Island Heat. Bala was a few minutes late to the party. You know what I mean?
That's
So,
all right.
so you know, we're gonna try to stay on time with the rest of the program.
You don't know what's that at ya. Fashionably late, my guy.
Yeah, you don't see him in a studio too. Can't voice all the dove.
I record one song and but it reach a one part where I really couldn't come here and say, yo, the way I'm vocal, I try to hold a little note. I remember I don't sing, but I try to get it good, you know, like the woman need to say and how me need to say.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't a little part, you know. But yeah, man.
Massive Crew, the man himself, Bala General. Bala, tell everybody how they can follow you, how they can contact you. Make sure they tell them all of your streaming platforms, everything where they can contact you and get your music.
Well, first and foremost, I am on Instagram most of the time. And I mean, my Instagram buzzing too. Now, like from one day, them give me the run. I'm at a nice. Them I say me I reach 13 million.
Mm-hmm.
I get and it's a month, and that is like real big deal for me. So I'm over there. So more or less, if you need, you know, there is information on my bio as to the number where you call for booking and dub plate. I'm up on Facebook, Omari Lawrence. My good, nice, sexy, pretty name of my parents give me. They say just go over there and search for Omari Lawrence, or you search for Badda General. Anyway, you go and once you put Badda General in a Google. Believe me, and my phone number come up. I try it myself and I realize I did it.
Boom.
So
See that?
You put Bala General, you get my Spotify, my Apple Music, my Tidal, my Amazon, my everything. Because all my songs are out there and all major. All the one they want to measure yet.
Yeah. Let me tell you, one of the hardest working people in the game. The man is prolific. My WhatsApp is buzzing every day. But yo, we need some feedback. Oh, listen to this. Tell me about this.
You can testify for how hard I put in the work. Because enough time people hear 100 me really the voice. But so it go.
Yeah.
One or three of them break through. But my voice, because me feel like me start late as an artist. I catch up me and play.
Right.
Oh, a nice little legacy where my children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren can come and remix and do something. So we just have to do the work.
Yes, it's the right thing.
Right this second, you know?
Congratulations, Badda General, on the great career so far. Much continued success to you, my brother.
Yes.
I want everybody who's listening right now to go and subscribe to his channels. Go and purchase.
Download.
Yeah, legal. Legal download.
No, they can legally download from Apple Music.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man. All of these things.
Yeah.
Badda General, we're going to leave them with this one. Give thanks, my brother. We'll link.
Be blessed, General.
Yeah.
What's the truth? We left it for your next man. You go on like we can't be friends. All you have to do is wish me all the best, and we'll go with separate ways. You can't do that.
No, my wish when you drive out, your car broke down, front tire flat, spear you not have done. Where you go?